Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to add new language to Matistro app. Currently, I'm using Matistro version 1.4. In order to add the new language, you need to add the new string file inside the value. Okay, so here I'm going to add a new string file here. So string.xml, and then I'm going to add the new Italian language. So I'm going to choose the Italian here, and then I click OK. Okay, after that you need to add the value here. So I copy it from Spain file, and then I import it to the Italy file. So here all the value are inside here, so you need to change accordingly. For the Italy, for now I'm just for the demo purpose, I'm just only change the name to Matistro IT. So for now I'm going to explain how to change the UI. So in order to change the UI, you need to go to the UI, and then you need to go to language fragment. Okay, so I open it. So I'm going to add the new UI. So I'm going to go to the XML. So here, so we already have three language here: English, Arabic, and Spanish. So I'm going to add the Italy one. So I click the Spanish, and then I copy and paste. So we got a new review button. So this is for the Italian. So I'm going to edit this one. So I go to XML, and then this one is new one. So this one will be Italian radio button. Okay, so and then we need to update the Spanish here, language Spanish. So we need to create a new for language Italian. So I'm going to add the new string file, new string value here, for Italian. Okay, here I'm Italian. Okay, so we need to add this value to all four string files. So I'm going to add in Arabic here. Okay, I'm going to add Spanish. Okay, I'm going to add to the Italian one also. Okay, after that I need to change this one to Italian. Okay, we already added the UI, so we need to update the app logic. So for the app logic, we need to change the language fragment. So for the app language config, they are working with the constant value. So currently we already have the language in for English, Arabic, and Spanish. So we are going to add the new language constant file for Italy. So we go to config, and then we are going to add the new language for Italy ID, and then I'm going to put the ID here. So this ID is coming from this string. So the ID here, this one came to here. So you need to make sure the value here and is the same with this one. Okay, so I'm going to add the logic. So I need to set the Italian radio button, check the fast. Okay, I copy it and then I paste to all place. Okay, after that I'm going to create for Italy. So I change this one to IT, and then I'm going to change Italy into true and this one to false. Okay, after that I'm going to add the action, the click action for radio button. So this one came into here. So this one is the English, this is Arabic, this is for Spanish. So I copy the Spanish one and then I paste here, and then I'm going to change Spanish to Italian radio button. So the language became IT, the Italian, the language Italian. Okay, so that is, so we try to run this one in phase. Okay, here we go to the language, and then we're going to see Italian here, and then if you click Italian here and then click OK, and then the language changed to Madistro Italian. So your language now changed to Italian. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.